She smiled for everyone, but no one saw how broken she was. She lived in silence, walked on eggshells, and forgot how it felt to be alive. But one morning, she stopped pretending. She didn't cook. She didn't cry. He chose herself. She didn't run. She walked, not away from fear, but toward freedom. And in that moment, she wasn't a victim. She was reborn. She is every woman who found her voice and walked into her power. Watch her story. Feel her courage. She walked away only on Learn English official channel with stories.